solo. Vamos agora ficar com mais um tema, o último aqui na praça, com o grupo Sons Em Cena. Agora um tema do West Side Story, uma obra em palco, em cinema, mas sobretudo uma obra criada por Leonard Bernstein.
Sergeant Krupke, you gotta understand, it's just our bringing up that gets us out of hand. Our mothers all are junkies, our fathers all are drunks. Calling Moses, naturally we're punks.
Gee, Officer Krupke, we're very upset. We never had the love that every child ought to get. We ain't no delinquents, we misunderstood. Deep down inside us there is good.
There is good,
there is good, there is good, there is untapped good. Like inside, the West of us is good.
That's a touching good story. Let me tell it to the world.
Just tell it to the judge.
Blah, 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 dear. Kindly judge, your honor. My parents treat me rough with all their marijuana. They won't give me a puff. They didn't want to have me, but somehow I was had. Living lizards, that's why I'm so bad.
Officer Krupke, you're really square. This boy don't need a judge, he needs an analyst care. It's just his neurosis, it ought to be curbed. He's psychologically disturbed.
I'm disturbed.
We're disturbed, we're disturbed, we're the most disturbed. Like we're psychologically disturbed. In the opinion of this court, this child's depraved on account he had a normal home.
Hey, I'm depraved on account I'm deprived.
So take him to a head trigger. You!
My daddy beats my mommy clovers me. My grandpa is a commie, my grandma pushes tea. My sister wears a mustache, my brother wears a dress. Goodness gracious, that's why I'm a mess.
Yes, Officer Krupke, he shouldn't be here. This boy don't need a couch, he needs a useful career. Society's played him a terrible trick. And sociologically sick.
I am sick.
We are sick, we are sick, we are sick, sick, sick. Like we're sociologically sick.
In my opinion, this child does not need to have his head one can work. Juvenile delinquency is purely a social disease.
Hey, I've got a social disease.
So take him to a social doctor.
Social doctor, which way?
Take him.
The social worker, they tell me get a job, like be a soda jerker, which means like be a slob. It's not I'm antisocial, I'm only anti-work. Glory asking, that's why I'm a jerk.
Officer